buhay! This is Ad Talk!
Aming paaralan, aming kanlungan,
Welcome to Ad Talk, where we explore the stories and experiences of remarkable individuals in our school community. I'm Giselle Del Reo Magaro,
And I'm Ligaya Yubaligi.
your host in this episode. Hello ma'am, good afternoon po. First and foremost, thank you for accepting this request to interview po.
First is, ang sa imong work dili ma'am, then ilan ang kayo student?
Currently, I am the Dean of the College of Business and Accountancy and at the same time the Vice President for Administration. I've been serving SEC for 25 years, 5 years as Dean, but I've been in the Student Affairs Office for 14 years. And this is my first year as DPM.
So in 5 years po ma'am, ano po ang pinaka na-experience niyo as a Dean of CBA?
As Dean for 5 years, daming experiences, like developing the curriculum, kasi during the time I started, we were required by the Commission on Higher Education to look into the curriculum that will fit into the need of the industry. So, kailangan namin mag-devise. Second is yung campaign for more students, and then panatilihin yung quality education through observation sa mga different classes para ma-meet talaga yung vision mission ng CBA, which we also revised in 2020. That's only few of the many.
Then, di ba na-mention ni ma'am isa ka-dean dili sa CBA? Kailan siya nag-start?
2019. School year 2019-2020.
Maliban po sa mga good experiences po, ano naman po ang mga challenging experiences niyo po?
Ang pinaka-challenging talaga was during the pandemic. The complete shift from the face-to-face on-site classes to blended. Kasi kailangan namin mag-develop ng mga module, tapos mag-observe doon sa Google Classroom. Aside from that, kailangan gumawa ng mga videos for the students.
Paano niyo siya na-overcome?
Working together as a team ng College of Business and Accountancy, ang bawat faculty ay nag-cooperate. So, and then, open talaga. I-broaden ang mind to new challenges, to new experience, and then na-embrace naman na meron talaga siyang shift from on-site to blended.
So, as a Dean po, ano po ang pinaka-achievement niyo?
Yung yung during the graduation, yung makita mo yung mga estudyante na naka-cap and gown, na sila academic gown, tapos graduation na, and then after that, i-inform kanila that they are already working. Kumbaga, nasundan mo yung nila, journey. So, pinaka-achievement talaga yun siya. Makita. Kumbaga, fulfilling masyado na nakita mo yung mga estudyante na nag-march na, nag-graduate na sila, then after, they land a good job.
Ba, kabalo naman tayo nga isa ka sa teacher dili sa CBA. Kamusta naman ang mga students dili sa CBA?
Pasaway joke. Ang estudyante sa CBA actually, sila, competitive, resilient, majority, and then they can easily actually adapt to changes, especially during the pandemic. Hindi naman nag-adapt yung mga estudyante, naka-follow sila. Although there were challenges, opportunities, like some, hindi talaga pag-follow ng mga instructions, but in general, magagaling yung mga estudyante ng College of Business and Accountancy.
So, as a Dean po, ano po ang mapapayo ninyo sa mga students na under sa CBA?
Keep going. Although daming mga challenges, ang daming problema, ang daming stressors, but as long as you are going through achieving your dreams, talagang ma-achieve mo yan siya. Siguro ano lang, kasi nasa field of business tayo, ang daming mga problema along the way. But once na na-overcome mo yan, dapat you learn from that experience. And then, wag nang gawin ulit kung ano na yung mga negative na nangyari. So, learn from experience para mas mabilis mag-grow. And then, wag mo pa pressure masyado. Enjoy ang life. Although, sabayin yung enjoyment at saka learning kasi it's fun man, di ba? Sa pag-learn.
Sa sa tagal niyo po nagsiservisyo dito is, ano po yung masasabi niyo sa CPA in general?
Sa College of Business and Accountancy. Ang graduate talaga natin, we're proud, yung mga graduates natin sa CBA is they can easily land a job. So yung employment opportunity, madali siyang pumapasok or nag-invite na yung iba. Kasi nga, especially, dalawang programs ng CBA ang accredited siya ng Association of Christian Schools, Colleges, and Universities. So, especially the BSBA, kasi level 3 accredited siya. So, once na nag-apply ng trabaho, madali siya matanggap kasi may edge siya with other applicants. So, in general, ang CBA, very competitive siya and we are proud na tayo ang the highest number of students in terms of the population and very strong. In terms of competition, hindi namin huli ang College of Business and Accountancy. Kaya nga, always tayo, di ba, the Eagles. Hindi yan siya nagbabago, yung Eagles natin kasi we soar, always, soar high.
Lastly po, ma'am, can we ask you po to encourage mga upcoming college students po na mag-enroll sa CBA?
To our incoming students, we encourage you to enroll, choose courses or programs under the College of Business and Accountancy. Kasi ang mga programs dito, you can easily find a job. Ang daming employment opportunities kasi nasa business tayo, hindi siya naluluma, kumbaga, always na nag-grow ang business. So, marami talaga siyang job opportunities. If you wanted to become rich, enroll sa CBA. Kasi dito lang, lahat ng mayaman, majority mga negosyante. So, kung gusto mong yumaman, enroll ka dito sa College of Business and Accountancy and we will provide you with quality education.
So that's all, ma'am. Thank you sa time and sa pag-answer.
You are welcome and thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Christian.
Good morning.
So, why did you choose SEC?
It was actually an influence of my classmate way back 2019 because ako ang classmate is a student before there sa Southern Christian College. So, na-intriga ko or na-curious ko kung sa Southern Christian College. That's why pipili na ko siya from the sense na competitive siya sa mga skillahan before. That's why I choose Southern Christian College.
So, saan ka-influence sa inyo mga kamamili magaling?
Just like what I said before na sa classmate din ako, di kaya na-influence ko kay syempre, siya competitive siya in a way na kaparami siya kasulog sa top 10 and then the way mag-speak siya, the character, the faith, or the service is there.
So, ba na-inspired ka?
Yes, na-inspired ko.
Aside from that, isa yung mga na-experience din sa SEC?
So far, ang akong experience is friendly kaayo ang skillahan, especially ang mga faculty, like approachable kayo sila ng, halimbawa, kung na problem, pwede mo sila maduulan with regards to your problem sa ila.
So, you can recommend the SEC to others?
Yes. Ma-recommend ako siya. Since ang Southern Christian College, na tawag sila, nag-deliver din sila of mga competitive students, especially nag-align din sila sa vision, mission, and objective statements nila sa eskwelahan. So, pag makita mo ang isa ka SEC yan sa gawas, which is ma-identify na niyo siya na competitive siya na tao, teachable siya na tao since kay na-abit siya sa Southern Christian College. That's why I recommend Southern Christian College to other schools, especially sa mga grade 12 students para sa akong pinsan doon. Kay, syempre, akong pinsan is graduating na this June or May. And i-recommend din ako ang Southern Christian College sa tungod in a sense na ano sila. And then nakita niyo man siguro no na sa akon pa lang na sarili na isa din ko kay si Sian nga tawag sila ng competitive yun nga na dyan maikabuga ang SSC.
Mas mamita ka ba sa inyo sarili na active ka ay pa dami ka energetic.
Oo, energetic ko. Kay, syempre, friendly kayo ang CBA department. Yes, kasi anak gani sila na CBA is one family.
Diba, ma-recommend naman ka sa mga upcoming student. So, pero, unsay mo kurso o what year?
Ako ang kurso kay BSBA or Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And I'm currently second year student.
So, regardless sa environment sa CBA mo, so mga ka-postdocs ka, faculty, kung saan mo man kung sa ilangan?
What I've said earlier po nga, friendly kayo sila, like approachable, nang halimbawa sa klase, no, like, pwede mo sila mapamangkot, even natapos na ang klase, pag naka sa faculty, pwede ka mamunta na sila, which is, pwede ka sa ilang, tapos sa mga faculty, no, pwede ka tapos na mag-share of problems, and then magkakagot sila ng mga advices nila, which is, nice good sa CBA, and then ang mga students po is friendly. Kaya mo naganahan dito ko sa CBA. So that's why until now, napakadalian.
So, as a student, kung saan natabang sa CBA sa inyo?
Natabang sa ko as a CBA is how to build my confidence because way back 2020 is nag-grow sa ko ang anxiety, which is the social anxiety. Kanang murag some others said na daw siya murag allergies sa tao. So ang natabang sa ko sa CBA yun is mag-build good sa ako ang confidence build sa mga tao kasi it's marketing ba yata. So, maong kailangan din na ito confidence build.
So overall, what do you think of CBA?
I think CBA is fun and a little bit stressed, but I think that CBA is great.
So, that's all. Thank you, Christian.
Thank you for the guide. Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Achieve your goal to SSC.
Friendly kayo ang
Pasaway joke. Negosyable. So, kung gusto mong yumaman, enroll ka dito sa College of Business and Accountancy.
What are you waiting for? Enroll now at Southern Christian College.